Hello everyone, today we're in downtown Orlando. And in today's video, we're going to be checking out the Discover Downtown Info Center. After that, we're going to take a quick lap around downtown. And then we'll wrap up with a trip on the RIDE DTO on-demand transit service. DTO is a local nickname for downtown Orlando. Here's a look at the hours. Okay, let's head inside. The Discover Downtown Info Center is where you'll get all your info on events, attractions, arts, dining, lodging, transportation, parking in the downtown area, everything. There is also a shop, which we'll explore in just a bit. This is located in Orange Avenue, near the corner of Church Street. Just look for the giant DTO in the plaza. I have a video on the College Park area, and I'll link it in the description below. I also have a video showing 10 historic buildings in downtown Orlando, which I'll also link below if you're interested in seeing that. Here's some info on the plan to reshape downtown Orlando. I definitely snagged a few free stickers and magnets. Okay, let's go check out the gift shop. I mean, this is Orlando. There has to be a gift shop, right? They had a very nice 30-foot mural in the shop also. Here's some info on the artist. Please feel free to pause if you need more time to read. I have seen these A.B. Newton Orlando posters around town. They're pretty cool. If you're a local and you see where you're from, sound off in the comments below. They have a nice selection of books for sale also. Maybe I'll find a book for a future video.
Trains to go right down Church Street now. It's like
Okay, let's go take a walk around downtown Orlando. Here's a look at the Merita Bread sign that used to tower over Interstate 4 here in Orlando. The Merita Bread factory opened back in 1961. I do remember driving home from work many times and lowering my windows to get a smell of that bread factory. The bakery is now closed. The new members of this space donated this sign to the Morse Museum in Winter Park. The sign is 18 feet high and 48 feet long. We are now inside the Angebilt Hotel, which is an 11-story building that opened in 1923. Check out these old photos. So cool. Today, this building is offices with bars and retail on the ground floor. This is Wall Street Plaza, which is home to various bars and restaurants. Okay, now we're going to get a lift back to where I parked, and we're going to be using the new RIDE DTO on-demand shuttle service. This offering is set to provide an eco-friendly and efficient way to get around downtown Orlando. It only costs $1. Here's a look at the app. You will need to download the RIDE Circuit app and install it. After that, you can open the app to sign up to set up your personal information. Once completed, you can call for a ride to your destination. This is very similar to using Uber or Lyft, any kind of ride-sharing service. Okay, our ride's here. Let's jump in.
Yeah.
This service runs daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., 7 days a week.
Direction. 333 Garland Avenue.
This service began in October 2024. The goal for this is to improve mobility around the area while reducing emissions and traffic congestion. Currently, this service is only to get around the central business district of downtown Orlando, but it could also be a quick way to get from Lake Eola to the Dr. Phillips Center. This is a nice price, but I would love to see a light rail transit system maybe one day in Orlando. That's something that could link from downtown to maybe other main streets like Ivanhoe, Thornton Park, or College Park. It would be awesome to see that also extend maybe to go down to Camping World Stadium and just kind of connect everything. All right, we're arriving at our destination where I started my walk.
Thanks.
Can you get a picture of this thing? And that's a wrap on this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.